In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your MacBook Pro, Air, or iMac is not booting or turning on. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to make sure that the power cable is securely plugged in. And if you had an additional one for whatever reason, I recommend trying that. You may also want to try holding down the power button for at least 10 seconds to force the shutdown. Wait a few seconds and then press it again to turn it back on. If you have any additional accessories like printers, external drives, or hubs, you may want to disconnect all of them and then attempt to boot up your computer and see if that's potentially causing the problem as well. And hopefully that would be able to rectify the issue. Now, you may need to boot into the disk utility if you have to repair the startup disk, which is a different tutorial, but generally you should be able to boot it up pretty successfully, assuming it's just a power-related issue. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.